Hey guys, welcome back to Yelan app. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Brawl Stars stuck on searching for players. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now to fix this issue, there are going to be a few things you need to do here. So first things first is you need to guarantee that you're using the latest version of the Brawl Stars app. So typically when you actually open up the app and suddenly there's going to be some updates released, the app itself might not work properly immediately, which in this case you need to close it, and from then on visit Google Play Store, search for Brawl Stars and see if there are any updates. Now if you see a update button, go ahead and hit on it and wait for the update to complete and see if that solves the issue. Now once you've played the app and you're still having some issues here, then you might need to clear your cache, which in this case your cache actually contains temporary files here. In this case, look for Brawl Stars here, press and hold on it, and you want to click on app info. Now, in this case, at the bottom right, let's go and click on Clear Data. And from here, click on Clear Cache and click on OK. Once you've done that, go ahead and open up Brawl Stars and see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan app. Thank you for watching.